Do you know approximately 17,000 companies using ServiceNow because it has an ability to manage everything as a service. ServiceNow not only as ticketing tool, it provides support and services to IT service management, field service management, finance service management, human resource service management, application development, and security operations. ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a platform that processes and catalogs customer service requests. You can raise requests that deal with incidents, changes, problems, and other services using tools like ServiceNow. ServiceNow had its roots set in ITSM since 2012. The popularity which ServiceNow gained and is gaining because of its potential of solving IT problems and management. ITOM includes discovery, service mapping, cloud management, event management, project portfolio, etc. IT asset management, software management, SaaS license management, HR service management, etc. Who uses ServiceNow? 17,000 companies are using ServiceNow. Most companies in the USA at computer science industry, the companies which have 50 to 200 employees and 10 to 50 million dollars in revenue. Our data for ServiceNow usage goes back as far as 5 years and 7 months. There are so many products in ServiceNow. Based on category, we can see the below image. IT service management, ServiceNow administration, ServiceNow development, ServiceNow scripting, ServiceNow integration, ITOM, IT operation management, ITOM visibility, discovery, service mapping, ITOM health, event management, operational intelligence, cloud management, ITOM optimization, IT business management, performance analytics, demand management, resource management, innovation management, project and portfolio management, scaled agile framework, test management, agile development, application portfolio management, asset management, software asset management, hardware asset management, security operations, governance, risk and compliance, employee workflows, HR service delivery, customer service management. Prerequisites: basic JavaScript and awareness of ITIL and ITSM. Who can learn ServiceNow? Anyone can learn ServiceNow. Aspirants who are looking to start their career with a demanding profile of ServiceNow administration and development, and professionals who want to learn the ServiceNow platform to develop customized application for businesses. Why should I learn ServiceNow? During the quarter, ServiceNow closed 41 transactions with more than $1 million in net new annual contract value ACV. The company now has 1,012 total customers with more than 1 million in ACV, representing 25% year over year growth in customers. Our outstanding Q3 performance beat expectations across the board, and we are raising our workflows. ServiceNow is a platform for digital business. Customers are leveraging the Now platform to create the workflows that deliver great experiences for heroic veterans, students, knowledge workers, consumers, and so many others worldwide. We are hungry, humble, and passionately committed to making the world of work better for people. We have never been more confident. Career in ServiceNow. ServiceNow is implemented by companies from almost all the fields that provide service and support, like the automobile industry, IT industry, medication, insurance, media, and enjoyment, etc. ServiceNow certification. ServiceNow providing the certifications on all ServiceNow products that would be helpful to grow your career. What are the first step in ServiceNow? ServiceNow admin and development is the first step to learn, and this is the prerequisite for all remaining modules. There are so many topics included in the ServiceNow system administration and developer. About IT Canvas. IT Canvas is a specialized institute on ServiceNow certification training. IT Canvas providing the training, consulting, on job support, remote projects. IT Canvas ServiceNow training has four types of modules available: live instructor led batch wise training, individual training, self paced training, corporate trainings, IT Canvas advantages, flexible timings, hands on experience, 24/7 support, certified and industry experts trainers, real time use cases, flexible payments. What will you learn at end of the course? ServiceNow admin and development is a highly demanding profile in the future and now, as it's in the emerging stage. Still, many big and small organizations are implementing it in their business process for the smooth, unified, easy, and quick functioning of their workflows. The features the ServiceNow platform provides are something that almost every organization in the world is looking for. And that too, this is dynamic in nature with the transforming needs of the businesses. You can take this course for a good start in your career. It's proven that rare skills are paid high in the industry than with common skills. ServiceNow administration profile comes with handling multiple tasks through a unified platform. It's an interesting, challenging, and creative profile to head start your ServiceNow administration career.